Hey, Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Today we have the Bump and Grind coffee grinder from Vremi, and they got some pretty silly sayings here. It talks about grinding with care. It's BPA free, which is cool, but don't put me in microwaves, freezers, or any of the above direct heat source. That's not my thing. And it says what the capacity is, and then it talks about shaking your beans, and it just talks about the exterior of it. So they got some pretty funny stuff if you read through some of it. But let's go ahead and see what's in the box. It says perk and torque. So in the box we have the actual bump and grind, and it's going to plug in right there. Take the protector off. So pretty nice looking design here, decent looking size as well. It's got these cool little bumps and grip on the side there. We also have a little cleaning tool, cleaning brush. And then we have our getting started guide. It says if you like what you see, you can take a picture, and it gives you their social media and how to tag it for the hashtag, which is cool. And then you can also get 50% off one product of your choice as well for buying this, so that's pretty cool. And then basic manual, operating instructions, warranty, and then of course a little card if you have any customer support questions. So that's what's in the box of the Vremi Bump and Grind coffee maker. Make sure to check out the review, and you can find the link right in this video once we review that. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.